Hello and welcome. You're listening to One India News and I'm Pooja Sachdeva. Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu presented his second rail budget today in Parliament, and these are the highlights of the Rail Budget 2016. 1,600 km of electrification will be done this year and 2,000 km of electrification in 2017. 44 new projects valued Rs 92,714 crores to be implemented this year. Railway Minister also informed that this year's investment will be double the average of the last year. Now let's talk about what it has for common people. Wi-Fi service will be introduced this year at 100 railway stations. Saving of Rs 8,720 crores from the last year's estimates has been informed by Railway Minister. All the stations will be brought under CCTV surveillance for women's safety. E-ticketing has been enhanced from 7,200 tickets per minute from 2,000. 8.5 lakh crores will be spent over 5 years for modernization of railway infrastructure. Not just this, bar-coded tickets will be introduced and 17,000 bio-vacuum toilets will be introduced. There will be special toilets for differently able people, and porters will not be called coolies but sahayak. Not just that, they will be trained in soft skills. There will be children's menu, baby foods, baby boards to be made available for travelling mothers. There will be proposal to invite FM radio stations to provide train-borne entertainment via PA system. And to capture automobile traffic, Railway will soon inaugurate India's first rail auto hub in Chennai. Suresh Prabhu also said that Railway is working with insurance companies to offer travel insurance. And 33% of sub-quota will be there for women passengers that will be introduced in reserve categories. So as expected, no new trains have been announced. That's all for now, but don't forget to click that button to subscribe us. You were listening to One India Podcast. Take care.